That's the same noise. Then look at this shit, guys. Apparently, we own a manual now too. Jesus Christ! Look at that. It wants to press the clutch. Look at that. What a mess up. What the actual fuck? What the fuck? Right on the side of the highway right now, just cruising back home. And then boom. I don't know what happened. We're gonna find out. But I guess this is the first part to the video. I guess stay tuned. Rebuilding my truck or whatever. This is why we can't have nice things. And this is why you shouldn't buy a Dodge. Broke. You know why? Because I'm broken inside. Jeez Louise. This is why everyone that you know that owns a Dodge owns more than one. You see there, ripped the fuel lines clean, wiring harness going to the rear. The truck thinks it's a manual now. You can see that front drive shaft right there, just wrapped up everything. We pulled up to today. Parking lot got really icy, so it might make loading this truck a little bit harder. It might have zero effect. Find out here. Still in one piece though, that's good, but now we have another problem. Holy heck. Look at that. What a mess that left. What a mess that left. We don't really have room to... We're gonna have to pull it backwards. Guys, if anybody knows, never load your trucks ass end first. It's a terrible idea. You're always going to have your trailer swinging. Always. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to hook a chain to it. Hook a chain to a trailer. We're going to drag it back right now. So we got it all hooked up. We're going to pull it over there, but you see this mess, man. Not fun. Broke pickup. Hey, take that sign off. So you're gonna want to just hold this with your hand and use this. Now the neutral already works. Like the
yeah, it's a neutral.
Yeah, it's a neutral right now. You got the keys for it?
No, but they're in here.
Okay. So you know, don't even do nothing with that. Just make sure. I would roll your window down in case. And if you need anything, honk. Just honk. You can honk though. All right. So we're gonna get to it right now. Wow, man. Just unfortunate Dodge junk. Y'all saw me almost slip there too. Jeez Louise. So anyway, let's get the show on the road real quick. They don't call me the king of backing up trailers for nothing. Ooh, look at that. First try. I'm a little off. I'm not gonna lie. But I think we're gonna get plenty close to load it up. That old boy up here. We're about to hook up the winch, get everything hooked up. So I'll come back. I'll show y'all in a little bit. Oh, gotta go get him. Man, I keep thinking this is my truck, but it's not. Who knows? Maybe I left it at the house. Hey, what the heck, dude? Oh, Lord. Yeah. You ready? Dude, it's pulling this truck back. Dude, it is such a slippery mess out here that we're actually getting It wants to go. Oh, what the heck? Oh, there it goes. You're going straight. Just keep going straight. There it goes. Oh my Lord, dude. Oh my God, my hand is getting so cold. Here, hold the camera. My bad, everybody. I left the parking and the pump engaged. We had some minor errors, but they're corrected now. Yeah.
Now it's going up.
Yeah, now it's working. Touchdown. Yes, sir. Now, I hope I don't fall when I do this. Oh, Lord. We're on the up and up right now. We're gonna have to bring that weight a little bit more forward, but I think we're good right there. Woo-wee. It is so cold, my fingers hurt from filming. Oh, Lord. My fingers are so cold. Is that all the juice that's got in it? One proper way to secure your load is to give her an old yankaroo and say, that ain't going nowhere. Give her one more back here. Oh yeah, that ain't going nowhere. I don't know, this floppy chain kind of bothers me, so I'm gonna tie it up. Oh. Hopefully we got some flags on the ground here. But hopefully we'd have some open ones. But we don't, so go ahead and use some of these rust bucket ones. So these are good to have for more than one reason. You can tie your extra chain up with them. Let me see. I might focus on them, might not, but yeah, I just roll, twirl, put it through a couple of loops. Hell no, it ain't going nowhere. Twist, and then you don't got all that sloppy chain. So, probably grab one more for the other side. Two in case. But yeah, oh, that thing, it ain't going nowhere. Chain around the rear axle, chain around the front axle. Two binders in the rear, one binder in the front. Oh, that's the DOT special right there. Oh, it's hard as heck to close this toolbox up with one hand. I'll tell you that much. Yeah. That way, never get stopped for having a loose chain. I mean, I'm the type of guy that when he gets on the road, he doesn't want to get stopped. So I like to do it this way. Keeps it safe, you know. I'll give it one more twirl on this one. Looked a little loose to me. But yeah, that's it right there. We're up, ready to rock. I'll catch you guys in the next update. I'm sorry I got blocked yesterday. I really wanted to say thank you to everybody who's followed me. I wanted to tell y'all who the giveaway winners are, so I'll do that here shortly.
This is number 1, I'll tag him below. This is number 2, I'll tag him as well. We got this guy that didn't even know that there was a giveaway going on. So, regardless.
For some reason, we always do things the easy way, which for us is with the Bobcat. Because over there in that corner, let me crack this window for y'all. Over there in that corner, if you guys can see, we have a 2-post lift in the back. We just don't use it, so I'm getting the truck lifted up right now. And then we're gonna wrap this video up here, actually. I'll show you guys when we got it all up in the air and stuff, but this is probably gonna be the end of the video and we'll catch up in the next one. OSHA certified, my boys. She's all up in the air now, so she's ready for the build. She's ready for the rebuild. Ain't that right, Max?
Yeah, that's completely right.
All right, all of my Power Stroke guys, all of my 6.0, 7.3 guys, I know y'all are looking for a truck. Well, for a front clip swap. So we got a hood, we got fenders for it. Come over here, show everybody this. It's not a nice interior, but it's a full interior minus the radio. So if anybody's looking for this type, maybe trying to do a cab swap, trying to do a front clip swap, we have this truck for sale, and I believe there's an automatic transmission that goes with it too if someone needs a transmission for it. Mirrors, headlights, it's all there. So
They're Max and my uncle, they're gonna be working on this truck while I'm gone at work this week. So next time we see this truck, we'll give you an update. So far, what I can tell you is, I mean, the harness is ripped out right there. The lines going to the fuel filter, gone. The dipstick came out of place. There's just a bunch of stuff. The lines that go to the brake booster, all of these hard lines. I don't know if you guys aren't gonna be able to see this, but I'm gonna get some light. Give me a sec. Okay, so I think this is a little bit better for you guys. But yeah, if you guys see right there, all of those hard lines for the brakes, they're just ripped. Oh. No, I wouldn't recommend anybody come underneath a truck like this unless you're OSHA certified. So yeah, look at these. Just ripped to shreds. When we go back here, I mean, all of these hard fuel lines, we're gonna have to get brand new fuel lines, brand new everything. You can see down here, the truck's in really decent shape for being a straight tow pig. I mean, but like I said, harness is junk. Harness is complete junk. The fuel lines are junk. The brake lines need to be replaced. And like I said, we're gonna take off the fenders, take off the grill, the hood, all of that, to give it some room to work. But it's gonna be quite a process, guys. Quite an extensive process. Diagnosing everything, finding everything, fixing everything, but we'll take off the front clip here. We'll take off the whole front clip. Hopefully give us enough room to work. If not, then we'll just pull the cab off too, but let's try to avoid that. Anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next YouTube video. Appreciate you guys tuning in. See y'all.
No!